In this video, I will talk about inner join. So, what is the inner join? Join means joining two tables record in a single statement. So means a single sequence query. We will have to write select. So we have a marks and a student. So student dot name comma marks. So marks and marks means student table from name I am accessing here, marks table I'm accessing marks here, right? You must have to understand while this doing. Okay, from student, so I'm accessing from the students to marks table, right? So you have to keep in mind, right? Inner join, I'm applying here inner join, right? So inner join where you line on the marks table, right? I'm applying inner join from this table to this table, right? You don't have to be confused in here on inner joining how we are joining this table. So on student, right? Student ID should be equal to marks student ID, right? That's it. If I hit the enter, you will find the some data, name and marks. Let's enter. Now here we go. We have name and marks. Now your table has been joined from the student and the marks. So why why you get two only data? Means Ravi and Sita and marks 85 and 90. What why you get these two instead of here I have a three rows and a three row also. So in a definition always says that inner join returns only the rows that have matching values. Suppose 1 2 1 2, but 3 is not matching here, so that's why it is not return the matching value. So here only the two data were matching, the two data you found here in the join syntax, right? This is the call the inner join. I hope you will get understand, but let understand by the different table there. I will apply some different activities and try to find out the values of the table data. Okay, so suppose you have two tables like select from student one, right? This one is first, select from oh marks one, this one is second table. So these are the two tables I have again, and I will apply suppose show the student names with their marks. Okay, we have a student name here, right? The first one, and the marks here. We want to access from these two tables, means using the inner join. So how I will join, I want to show you. So first of all we will write here select, right? Select, nothing you have to do, just write student uh, table name, student name, student one, this is the first table name, so first table, and what you want from here, name, right? And the now comma and a marks one, marks one is the second table name, and comma what we need, subject, right? Okay, and now from where, from the student one, I'm accessing these data from the student one. Okay, right? And then now what we have to do, I have like inner join, right? And where you are applying marks one, I'm applying on this table inner join, so it should be joined here, right? And enter, and then on student one dot student id should be equal, should be means comparing the equal to the name id. Okay, so you know here only dot data you will get, that ID must have matched. The data will match that you will get. If it is not matching, it will not get. Okay, so be aware of it. Marks one dot, okay, student ID, right? Semicolon. When you hit the enter here, you will get the name and marks, but which one you will get? That data are in student ID, and the student ID is being matched here. Okay, so let's enter here. Now here you can see the name Ravi, Sita, Ravi, Aman, and math, science, English, math. Means four data is being matched here, right? The four data is being matched here, means these data is being matched here, 1 2 3 and a 4, right? So data is being matched, means the primary ID must have to match. The as much data will match here, you will get the data. So this was the first question to two table using their accessing their name and marks by using the inner join. I hope you get understood. But if we have to get only students who get more than 85 marks, select student 1. This is the table 1, student 1. This is the table name and name, right? And we have to get marks here, so we will write here second table name marks 1 dot subject. Okay, we want to get the subject and nothing, and sub marks and subject. I written this thing, and from student 1, right? This is accessing from the student 1. And now what we have to do, we have apply the inner join where you're applying marks 1, right? And hit the enter. Then on condition is student student 1 dot student ID, right? And equal marks 1 dot student ID, right? I have to write this, where enter, where the marks 1 is marks 1 marks, right? Marks 1 table inside marks is greater than 85, that marks I needed, and then apply the semicolon. And now when you hit the enter, you will get that marks who get 85 of students. Okay, so let's enter. Now you can see the Ravi a Ravi in English and Sita a in a science get 85 more than